Alright, let's cut through the hype. Is Brickmaster Block Mania just another cash grab, or is it actually worth your time? I took a deep dive into the game, and here's what you need to know in 2026. First up, the basics. Brickmaster Block Mania is a legit app. It's right there on the Google Play Store, rocking over 3 million downloads. The gameplay? Classic brick-breaking goodness. Fun, colorful, and honestly, it's great if you just need to kill some time or de-stress after a long day. But now, the juicy part. Those flashy ads promising you instant cash or thousands of Robux. Let's get real. That's where things go off the rails. Tons of players report that, yeah, the game says you'll get big payouts, but when it's time to cash out, suddenly that withdrawal button vanishes, or the rewards slow down to a trickle. And if the game ever asks you to pay a processing fee to get your winnings, that's a scam. Hard stop. Check out the reviews and you'll see a pattern. Ad after ad after ad, sometimes even if you pay to remove them. Plus, some people complain about technical glitches like buttons hiding behind menus or the game freezing right when you're about to hit a new level. Super frustrating, right? Here's my honest take. If you're here for some chill, brick-breaking fun, Blockmania does the job. But if you're hoping to strike it rich, don't fall for it. These play-to-earn promises are just bait to keep you watching ads and lining the developers' pockets. So, play for fun, but keep your wallet and your hopes safe. Don't let flashy rewards fool you.